Hi, do you mind to share with us regarding your snoring treatment with your clinic?
Okay. Initially, when I first came here, first treatment, when we checked my passageway, what do you call it?
Your throat, your
My
airway?
throat, my airway, is practically almost closed. And in fact, after the first session, I was still a bit skeptical because I couldn't feel much difference. And sleeping and all that didn't make much of I didn't see any much improvement. But after my second session, I could really see the gap, and my breathing and snoring also significantly less. This is after the second treatment.
Would you recommend this treatment to your friend?
Yeah, I mean those who have same condition as mine, of sleep apnea issues or breathing issues during sleep, definitely is good thing to go trial actually.
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.